Okay.
I can't win this.
Why me?
I was just watching a Mexican movie last time.
Because I'm staying close to you. I don't care.
Ooh, it's an exit. Where'd you go?
Oh, I know Munches. What the fuck?
Right here. I'm right
I
here.
swear to
Got
God,
my
I
hair.
just saw something behind me.
Okay, okay. I found an exit over here. Do we want to go through the exit?
Yeah.
Where's the big teddy body? Or big booty patty? Y'all. Oh my god, I got teleported in the middle of nowhere. I got teleported. I went through the thing and then, went back through it and then now I'm in the middle of nowhere. I know. Yeah, I was on the staircase and then I went back through the exit and now I don't know where. Oh shit. Here, do you want me to respawn? Okay. Okay, man. Got you. Black.
Wow.
Wrong button. Where'd you go? Oh.
Hmm?
Now we just gotta find Luna. What table?
I don't know.
Oh!
Oh, here again?
The fuck am I going here?
Okay, we gotta respawn because there's no possible way out of here. Bye. Go call, motherfucker. I just fell.
See how good this looks? It's much more better than yours.
Damn. I don't have any other Mandela avatars besides the Atom.
You
The
don't?
No, the only other avatar I have of Mandela is the.
I have so many!
I have the preppy Atom, and then I have the vampire Atom.
Oh.
I'm gonna fly. Okay.
Avatar's still loading.
What, mine? I'm Jonah.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. Yeah, all you can. You know what?
I'm gonna eat the door. I'm gonna start nomming on my door again. Just take a bite out of your salt lamp rock, and then bite a door.
Nope. Over here.
Doors taste delicious. Just nom nom.
Oh, I wish it was Smilas.
Oh, my fucking hand track.
Do you know what Smilas are?
No?
So it's like an entity that you would find in dark areas of the back rooms, and if you shine it with a light, it'll get aggressive.
Oh, like that one monster in Animal Company.
No, yeah.
I think we're going. Where are we going
Yeah.
exactly?
Here.
I think we left Luna behind.
I'm so smart. Oh, bitch. Oh, hello
Oh,
there.
hi.
Oh, hey. Hey, best. Oh, there's two.
I'm gonna kill
There's
you.
two.
Go give it a smooch. Go give it a smooch.
Oh, I mean.
Because I did it last time.
No.
Mm.
You're used to it from last time, and I'm more funny. I'm more funny. How about we both go? How about we both go? How about we both?
Here it was.
No, I was just hiding from you. Pussy.
Oh, bro, I don't care if you have a yacht or not. We're scared of you because you're black. No offense.
You're
Are you recording?
sister. Sisters. I don't know. I'm black.
Hey, that's racist. My
I'm black, though.
boys.
I'm black though. Look at it. I'm black. They're back.
Wow.
They're back. Yeah,
Wow.
they're back.
Wow.
Okay, I think if we go that way.
Oh.
Ah!
They disappeared. They disappeared. Oh my god!
I'm going through. I'm going through there. Said you. I literally went first. You're all the way back there.
One last time, I did too. I'm much more brave.
What the hell? Oh, that's your fucking camera.
Wave. Why do you get scared so easily? Poor other. It's calm
Big
down.
booty baddie.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh hello there.
Where did big booty baddie go?
Should I touch you? Should I touch you? No.
Hi, bestie.
You go. Go.
Don't touch me, otherwise you like black men.
Smooch it. You're both black. Oh my god.
No.
Someone needs to touch it, not like that.
Whoa.
Well, kinda like that.
Like I touch Ev's kids?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it moved. I'm running away. Oh my god, my game. What AI monster? Are you fucking kidding me? You leave me alone? What other friend? I don't have any other friend. What all? Oh, it's just Luna. What monster did you get killed by? The one that's like standing there? Big boot. Oh. You're black. I literally went towards it and it was bombastic side-eyeing me. It disappeared, so now I'm running for my dear life. Yeah, good luck. Ah! It moves! Stay back, you black bitch. I don't like being alone, right? Big booty baddie. Where did bro go? Oh, I found the red rooms. I found the red room. I found the red part. No, you don't see me. Wait, where? I don't know where you are. I'm right here, I'm right here. You should be alright if... Run! No! Bitch. You're black. You like men. No! It's fucking chasing me. It's gonna get me. I can't look back. No, I'm still running. If you touch me, you like black men. Not me. Stop growling at me, you buffoon. I died. It growls. Oh my god, I'm back at spawn. I died. I got that on camera too. Oh my god. We got that shit on camera too. I know. Just wait till it gets like close behind you and starts fucking growling. I don't like this game anymore. Yeah, I look back and it's like almost it was like almost touching me. That's why I screamed bloody fucking murder. Yeah. I got that on recording. Bitch. You black bitch! You black motherfucker! You black bitch! You black bitch. If you touch me, you like white men. Oh. I went like almost like touching it and it still didn't teleport. I don't like this game. You black nig. What? Hold on, let me go to the spawn here. I'm in the back rooms, like, you know, of course, you know. I forgot where spawn is. I forgot. Pussy. What do you mean you're at the exit? I hear you. I'm right here, I'm right here, I'm right here.
Oh my god.
Okay.
And that's the most quietest sneeze I've ever had.
I think I went this way. Big bitch. Black bitch.
Oh, hello.
No. Go up close to it. It don't move. It don't.
Oh my god. I'm just silently judging you. Oh my god.
Get away from me, you black bitch! I will start talking like Azuka fucking Midoriya. I died. Why is it hate me so much? It's because I'm black.
The fact is I barely get the monster because I'm white.
Yeah, it's because I'm black. That's so racist. It's so Bloody Mary scream racist.
Oh my god, this is gonna kill me.
Oh
I
my
love
god.
this. Oh, we gotta play this game right now. Oh, I gotta add this to my favorite.
Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god, I found the bitch. I found the bitch again. I found the black
What?
bitch. The black bitch.
I'm sorry.
I will call you the N-word. Because I'm technically black.
Where is it?
Over there. I swear to God, that thing spawns again. I will actually scream bloody fucking murder. I swear to God. I'm not even joking. I will start fucking screaming. Oh, why is it 2D? I just realized it's 2D. Oh.
Wait, it's 2D?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's always been 2D.
I swear to God, if something spawns out of the
Idiot.
blue, I'm gonna die. Black bitch.
Is the 2? Yeah, the 2 of the.
Okay.
They're just acting. It's fine. Oh, they're gone.
Yeah, I was all the way over here.
They're activated. Oh my god. Oh, phew. Ooh, I thought I saw it. No, no, thank you. Game lag, game lag. That means monsters spawned. Wait, every time a monster spawns, does your game have like a lag spike?
No, my game hasn't lagged once. You black bitch. Oh, I saw a black bitch. That's what I'm gonna call him, the black bitch. Oh. What was that? You just like died of thin air. What was there on your screen? Was it the monster I kept screaming bloody murder about? Or ah! I don't like this game anymore. I just heard fucking knocking. You black bitch. I know, but yeah, I do. Ugh. Is that a black bitch? No. It's a fucking corner. Ugh. I thought that was a car. I'm hallucinating. Black bitch. Is that an exit? No. That was an exit. I went in that one chair room again.
Why are you always so fast?
How am I supposed to know?
You're back.
Huh?
I heard you. And back.
Is that your dad?
Who cares?
Yeah, this is my dad, Andy. This is my, the one I'm talking to now is the friend in the UK.
Hello, friend in the UK.
Your daughter is gay. Why did you stop like that?
So I was looking for the black bitch. Black bitch. Black bitch alert. I'm gonna kiss you, boy. Run!
Frick, if I could have activated it for two of us.
Oh shit. Oh. Wait, does that mean if we activate the other ones? Does that mean if we activate the other one, there's two? There's something there. Fucking run. Fucking.
Chrissy, calm down! You're making me scared.
There's something. I burst in my own eardrum.
My booty cheeks.
Oh my god.
Really one of my booty cheeks.
Oh my god, I burst in my own fucking eardrum. You black bitch! What? I know.
Actually, you're actually a rat.
Oh my god, I'm
Come
gonna
on.
pass away.
We know. This is scary, but it's so fun.
No. Imagine we're just casually being chased.
Oh, it's still not there. It's still not there. This is where it was.
I'm at the wrong. We're at the wrong.
Screwed us.
Oh no.
No, this is
Oh
it.
no, it
This
was
is
right.
where
It's
it
right
was.
here.
Yeah. It's already been activated. What?
Again? Already? What are you doing?
Yeah.
Are you trying to?
by the other guy.
Ah!
What?
No. Ah! I'm being chased. That's stop. You're being chased. Have you touched me? You like men? What? What? No, I'm literally being chased. I'm being. Ah! I already died. I already died. Girly Pop, I already died. I already died.
Stop hiding.
What do you mean? What do you mean stop hiding? I'm
Yeah, what? What, is your dad in your room?
No, he's not. He came in and started tickling my waist again. I know.
Dad used to. My dad used to like squeeze these one like ticklish places on my body. I used to die. It was so ticklish, but it hurt. I had a lag spike. That's bad.
Ooh.
I know. I'm the detective, bro. I know when
What,
there's a murder.
bitch?
How do? Oh, it's still activated, bro.
You mean not activated?
Okay, crazy. Not going over there. Just straight forward.
Well, I go over there.
Okay.
I want to. Ooh.
You're gonna
Black
see the
bitch.
monster again. You want to scream and burst both of our eardrums?
Yes. Is it a black bitch? Is it a black bitch? Where? Where? I don't know where your ass is. Jeez. Why me? It's because I'm black. Back away.
Because you see it first all the time. Okay, I kind of gotta put my hood down so I could see better.
Don't touch me, you black big you fat bitch.
Okay, I better.
Big booty, big. I don't know what the fuck you are. Just back away.
Okay, I'm following. When you die, I'll see my monster. I know I'm thirsty. No, I do.
I don't have anything to drink in my room,
I know, 'cause my mom's making
which is
them.
kind of fucking goofy. I mean, I have Orby juice. I have Orby juice. I have Orby juice because I have like an Orby lamp. I just drink the juice out of there.
What? I think I think this drink is spiked. Can you hear me gulp when I drink?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I feel bad.
I killed your dad.
What? No. You can only hear me because first my mic's what? First, my mic is really good. Second, I have to like drink so my throat is like straight, so it's more
So your throat's not
easier to
gay?
hear. And
You said so your throat's
I'm
straight.
glad. Well, I'm glad my throat isn't gay because that means go go go. Wait, if I'm straight then, huh? This makes no sense anymore. You gay? Yeah.
Wake up. I just casually ran away. Yeah, let me just. I'm still faster.
Oh wait, I know why you're fast because John is used to running a lot when he was working as I'm picking cotton. So that's
Wait. I need to pull the Michael Jackson.
No, I think
Stay right
Adam-
there, stay right there. There was a black bitch.
Yeah, that's what I
There's
saw.
a black bitch.
And it's gone from
It like glitched for a
And
hot
it's
second.
gone
It was
for me.
like huge. It was like I think its head was like at the ceiling for me for a hot second. It was like one of the black bitches, but more black.
more black.
Yeah. I swear to God,
Oh wow.
I'm on cocaine.
Blacker than you?
Yeah. Oh shit. I'm currently chasing you. Yeah, as soon as you started being chased, I started being chased. So now I'm being chased. I lost her. Shit. Oh. What if I just juke it? Never mind, that didn't work. What the fuck was that? NPC. Why the fuck does it do that? Just. Hold up. If you excuse me, I'm gonna drag my ass across the ground. We're gonna get weird.
Just imagine the entity.
Who the hell is knocking on my toes?
Nah, the fact that I just now remembered the disgusting joke again.
I have no clue.
Well, it wasn't a joke, it was a question.
I honestly have no clue.
The one that you and Mackenzie were laughing about.
I left out a lot of jokes.
The one that me, Chloe, and the drunk Val saw.
Ooh.
That you specifically asked me.
Black bitch.
No, Blood decides to not answer those.
No, I legit have no fucking clue.
My arm hurts holding it up like this. I don't know.
I'm gonna break my neck real quick. I think I lost you. I'm gonna go take a nap.
Jonah. No, Adam would take a nap, and no, Adam would need a nap from Jonah.
Yeah.
He wouldn't be able to deal with
Just
him.
fucking leave. Material got. I just fucking leave. Play some miracle.
It's America.
It's America. What did he do though? I'm over here. I'm over here.
Entity is spawned. There's a lag spike. Look at this. Go. No, I want to go. I thought someone was following me. I thought your mom was following me.
I'm gonna bite the wall real quick.
No, I bet your mom's in the back rooms because she's
Have you ever bitten a wall?
blacker, bigger, and juicier.
Have you ever bitten a wall?
What?
Ah!
Oh, see, that means mine spawned.
No, I heard knocking. I heard no.
Keep on going. Keep on going corners, then you'll help.
It's nothing.
Oh.
Cancer. What is this on there?
I'm seeing stuff.
Oh, black bitch.
Actually seeing stuff.
Good. It's crawling. No. I ran. I can't go back now. I'm being chased. I think. Oh no, I got away. I think. No, I didn't. Mine's chasing me. Oh, Andy.
Yeah.
Mine's going that way. Mine's right there.
Okay. Oh.
Black bitch. Black bitch. I see dead people. Oh. No one say a word. No one say a word. No one say a word. Okay, well, how goofy I did. I know you're watching this. Wake up. I will tickle Bean if you don't wake up. I will tickle Bean. Wake up. I will tickle Bean inappropriately if you do not wake the fuck. Oh! Wake up. I will start being fucking zesty. I will be zesty. Like I will start being zesty to you. Like I was with Juno and Tekken. Okay. I'm trying to fix my blanket this way. It looks like it keeps getting a spell. Okay. You know, we're just gonna stare at a mirror until we get back. I'm Slay. Slay very proud. I bet you as soon as I start fixing it, I bet you. Alright folks, this is where we end the video because I'm not doing it alone. So enjoy having enjoy watching me in pain and suffer from that. Goodbye.